Hey everyone, so I am at Rookwood Cemetery in Sydney, or just a bit west of Sydney, and this video is going to be about the No. 1 Mortuary Railway Station, which opened in 1869. Not too sure when it closed, but this is one of a couple of mortuary stations, but this is the only one that's visible. So basically, from what I understand, I'm possibly wrong, but I think I'm right, train used to pick up bodies and also people like the mourning and everything like that from the Regent Street Railway Station, which is next to the Sydney Central Station, and that train used to run into the Rookwood Cemetery here. So I'm just walking up to what's left of the platform now. I think there used to be like a sandstone structure that used to cover the station, so yeah. Just go slow. Is around here. I'll just give you a look at the platform from the end. So it looks like it was just a single track that ran through. And as I said before, I think there was a sandstone or just a stone structure that used to cover the station, as there's quite a few supports here. And I don't think this is the full length of the platform. It looks like it's been somewhat restored since it closed. If you want to pause that and try and read it, feel free to do so, and just resume the video when you're done reading. And there's another plaque over here about the restoration of the No. 1 Mortuary Station. So again, just pause the video, have a bit of a read, and then resume when you're done. And these mortuary trains were led by steam locomotive. Anyways, practically all I can show you. Small, but something at least. So if you like the video, give it a thumbs up. If you want more content, then subscribe to Abandoned Odds, and I'll see you next time. Thanks for watching.